right, we have a beautiful winter morning with snow on the ground. It's a beautiful day. Temperatures are below freezing. So I'm trying to heat it up out here a little bit, get the blood flowing. Oh yeah, feels good though. Beautiful morning for it. Oh yeah, awesome. Yeah. Get the body moving. We've had over 9 inches of snow 3 days ago. And it's still hanging around. Nice to get 9 inches once in a while. These things feel nice. Nice change. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feeling good. Alright. Well, check out. Let me give you a better look at the snow on the ground. Look at the roofs covered. That's beautiful, isn't it? Step outside and see the blue sky. It's just so awesome. Look at that. How beautiful is that? What a beautiful day. Look at that snow. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, very good. All right, well done. Good job.